Welcome to Zero Proof Mocktail and botanical drinks you can make at home. Get ready to explore a world of delicious, alcohol-free beverages. The demand for alcohol-free drinks is exploding. Discover how easy it is to create sophisticated botanical mocktails right in your own kitchen. We'll be using fantastic ingredients like elderflower, hibiscus, lavender, fresh citrus, and various herbs to infuse amazing flavors into our drinks. Get ready for 4 exciting mocktail demonstrations. We'll walk you through each recipe step by step, sharing mixology tips and garnish ideas along the way. First up, the elderflower fizz. Follow these simple steps for a light and refreshing drink. It's all about precision and balance. Next, the vibrant hibiscus berry cooler. We'll show you how to create stunning garnishes and get my honest sip reaction to this delicious blend. The lavender lemonade offers a unique twist on a classic. Learn my special mixology tips to bring out the subtle floral notes perfectly. Finally, the citrus herb sparkler. This refreshing drink is simple to make and bursts with bright, invigorating flavors. Let's get started. Now let's dive into some essential mixology tips that will elevate your mocktail game to the next level. The secret to a great mocktail is balancing flavors. Always use fresh ingredients. They make a huge difference in taste and aroma. Proper chilling is crucial. Ensure your drinks are served ice cold to enhance the refreshing experience, using plenty of quality ice. Presentation is everything. Let's explore some creative garnish ideas and discuss how to choose the right glassware to make your mocktails shine. From citrus twists to fresh herbs and berries, creative garnishes add visual appeal and an extra layer of flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment. The right glassware can transform your drink. Choose glasses that complement the mocktail style and enhance its aesthetic appeal. I hope you feel inspired to try these zero-proof mocktails at home. Subscribe for more creative drink recipes and enjoy your botanical creations.